Welcome back, guys. Welcome to another tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll teach you on how to make a realistic pencil sketch but with your smartphone. Yes, so you can make a realistic pencil sketch as if it was actually was drawn on paper. So these are some other examples. So you can make a realistic pencil sketch. So I'll be teaching you on how to actually do this. See you in the video. This is your Picsart. So once you have clicked on your Picsart, you click on your plus sign. So this is your. So next thing you're going to do now, you click on your pattern that you want to turn to a pencil sketch. I have what. So next you're going to automatically. You click on what your G, and automatically remove the background. So the next one we're going to do, we are going to give it a white background, plain background. So you're going to click on your white background. Next one we're going to do, we are going to give it I'm trying to blend this particular image to the background. And how do you do that? We are going to use the eraser tool. So the eraser tool is used to we can use to blend the image to this background. So you click on your eraser tool, and you have it here. So what you are going to do now, you are going to click on your erase. Once you click on your erase, so just make sure you reduce the hardness. You reduce the hardness, and you kind of reduce the hardness and reduce the opacity a bit. And you have something like this. So you can decide to go further if you want to. Yeah, so I think something that we are okay like this. So next thing you're going to do, just click on your okay. So it depends on how you want it. So but let's just work with this. So next thing you're going to do, we are going to click on your okay. So just click on OK. So it's look, and you have it here. So next we are going to do now is we are going to go to your FX. Go to FX effect, and yeah, so you make sure that your data is on. So you go to your click on your magic, your magic, and then you go to your magic. Yeah, they have a lot of in your F, but you go to your magic, and then go to your sketch. Go to sketch. So click on your sketchy. So your data is on. Once you have clicked on your sketchy, automatically turns it into sketch. So you have it here like this, but we are not done with it here. So we are going to try and edit. So you are going to click on this plus sign. So this is there are many blending here. So you can try to give it like a natural color or not. So anyone that you actually want, independent if you want a kind of natural color and all, but we want to turn to a sketch and all. So let's give this blending, your darkening, lighting, screen. So screen is what we are going to work with now. So screen is like one of the perfect one. So if you click on this, it just gives it color, but we won't be needing the color effect or not, because we can what we need is just sketching black and white, and it doesn't matter if we give the color, it will still be black and white. So you can leave it like as this, but if you want it as a color, you can just decide to copy to save it, but there's no need though. So once you are done, you click on your plus, you click on your and you save it. So next thing you're going to go now, let's go to our editing. So we are going to go to our tools and we'll click on what you adjust. So we are going to tend to adjust this a bit. So a lot of it here, but we are going to work with what we call your saturation. Your saturation talks about your color. So go to outmount to 0. So we are like this now. We have removed all the colors. That's why it's now looking black and white. And then we go to next we are going to go to, there's no need of touching your hue. Your hue is to vary color, but since you've turned your saturation to the barest minimum, so your hue almost looks the same. It doesn't matter. Yes. So next thing you're going to go to your highlights. Your highlight talks about highlight. I said what highlight talks about those places that are bright colors. So if I increase it will make sure that those places that are bright color become brighter, but our main aim is to make it look like a sketch. So we are going to take it down. Yeah, so you can see now it now looks like more like a sketch. So you have to take it down. Don't take it to the extreme. If you take it to the extreme, this is what you'll be getting. Yeah, though, but just make sure that it's more realistic, something like this. Yes, so take it to any extent that you feel comfortable with. I think it's okay. Next thing, I go to your shadows. Your shadows talks about what? Those dark parts. So if you tend to take it back, you see it will tend to make that those ones that are dark, very dark. You get. So we are going to make the shadow we are going to make it brighter here. So you can see. So you take your highlights to the negative and your shadow to the positive. Now this particular one, your temperature, you don't actually need it, but this is what this effect it gives you. Yeah, it gives you a different different temperature, as you can see. Yeah, depending on what you want here, but we won't be needing that. So it depends on what you actually want to do. So we are going to keep this as 0 or 0. Yeah, so it depends on what you want to do. Now next in your clarity tends to sharpen create more clarity and more details to the design here. So if you add more clarity, see that it's now becoming sharper and sharper, but don't make it too much. Just make sure that it's a bit. So just add details a little bit here. So and we have it here. So next thing, we can decide to add your construct. You can decide to increase it or reduce it, but I will advise you that you just make it 0 or a little bit here. So there's no need of doing your brightness. Yeah, there's no need of doing your brightness. It just make the background brighter. So you can see now it's now like a sketch. And what next you do, just click on what you're okay. So you can see now like a sketch. Now to make it now more realistic, or to make it look as if it was actually done. Yeah, so you can try to add a pencil and an eraser. You can do that with Pixellab, or you can do that on Picsart here. Yeah, the reason is that on your Picsart doesn't have a good shadow effect, but your Pixellab has a good shadow effect, so you can make it more realistic. But you can also try that with your Picsart. So let's see what we do with our Picsart. So we'll click on what so you add photo. Now so I have different pencil here. So I'll click on this one, click on this one, and click on what the eraser. So I'll just click on what add the three of them. So I have it here. So now you can now decide to make it realistic. Just keep them by the side. Just reduce the side of each of them. So we can take this one here. So just, and same thing with this. So we'll just give it a shadow. So but first let's work on this. Just click on that, then you go towards shadow. and you have given it a shadow already. So but the position, let's adjust the position. Just take it down. Yeah, you see the Picsart shadow effect is not really that, it's not as perfect as your Pixellab, so but we can see that. So let's just take this one down. Okay, I think this is okay. So now let's take this other one. Let's give the shadow. Just make sure it's down to look more realistic, and let's just and your eraser. Then just reduce the opacity a little bit. And the position. So we, as you can see, so we are already done. Just to this, or just to reduce the opacity. And for the other one, just reduce the opacity of the shadow. Yeah, so we are actually done. So it now looks realistic. So just click on your OK sign. So you can now decide to add like your name or something. So just add a text. Let's add a text. So let's add Primax Art. So click on your OK sign. So you go to your font. So you choose a stylish font, yeah, something like this now, like an art font here, something like this. So we are going to give the color. We are not going to use black, so we just click on your color picker and you choose the color of like this, the color of our drawing. So just look for something that is dark. I think it's hair. Yeah. So this is okay. So just reduce. So we are okay like this. So we are going to just reduce size. So we are okay like this. So you can just click on your OK. And this is okay. So you are already done, and this is your final design. So you can start to make any edit that you want. So once you are done, just click on save, and it automatically was saved to your gallery. Now thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.